In today's video, I'm going to show you how to export Firefox Bookmarks to another computer in just a few simple steps. This is a really helpful method if you're switching devices, setting up a new laptop, or just want to keep a backup of your saved websites in case anything ever happens to your browser. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is open, look at the top right corner of the browser and click the menu button. This is the three-line icon that opens up the main Firefox options. From the menu, click on Bookmarks. This section is where Firefox stores and manages all of your saved websites. After that, click on Manage Bookmarks. This will open the bookmark library where you can organize, export, and import all of your saved bookmark data. Now that the Bookmark Manager is open, look in the top left corner and click Import and Backup. This option gives you the tools you need to move bookmarks between browsers or save them as a file. From the drop-down menu, click Export Bookmarks to HTML. This is the format you want if you're moving your bookmarks to another computer or keeping a backup copy for later use. Once you click that, Firefox will ask you to choose where you want to save the file. Select the folder or location that's easiest for you to find, such as Downloads, Desktop, or an external drive. Then click Save. Firefox will now create an HTML file containing all of your bookmarks. After that, you can transfer this file to your other computer and import it into Firefox whenever you're ready. You can use a USB drive, cloud storage, email, or any other method you prefer to move the file safely. And that's it. You've now successfully exported your Firefox bookmarks so you can use them on another computer. If this video helped, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.